Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Elantra. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, cargo area light. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.